Finally, the crown is coming out again. Nice. This is considered quite short already. Pour the noodle inside.
看到还热啊，把盖子开着。
Okay. Okay guys, welcome. Supposed to make a run to JB, but I think it's going to be very jam pretty on. Well, just finished work, and so happens that I'm actually around this area. I think I decided to go for my dinner first before I make a move to JB. Currently also you can see it's slightly drizzling. I want to know what to do. I mean, such things I cannot control. Anyway, I'm going to grab dinner first, then later we shall plan and see how to execute the next move later on. So let's go. Actually not that many people right now. Normally you will see they actually come and have their dinners. See a lot of chairs and tables are actually quite empty at this moment, but maybe later on, stop raining, maybe more clients will come out later on. No more makan the other side. I think maybe I go back to the other side and have my meal over there. I haven't been here and makan for quite a while. I think maybe I have my dinner over here. Finally, let's see what they have. Let me see what to order. One tahu goreng, one mie hailam.
Mie hailam seafood
Mie hailam seafood, one tahu goreng, and one soda lime. Okay. Soda lime should be quite nice. Wow, nice. Oh, mie hailam seafood. And this is my tahu goreng. So fast. Try. Tapi tidak. It's quite good. Noodles, the seafood, with prawns, with veggie, fish cake. Okay. Now how's the tahu goreng? Okay, boleh tahan. Not bad. Okay lah, boleh pasak. The rain is slowly stopping. Slowly the cloud is coming out again. Nice. 没有啊，辣椒啊，辣椒，辣椒啊有吗？现在辣椒。Ada cili padi, tak sedap ah. Mesti cili padi, benar. No more drizzling, no more raining. Everybody having their dinner right now. And I already had mine. But I'm gonna make a move. Yeah. Actually guys, further down is actually the areas where there are a lot of pubs, bars, but actually I'm not intend to go over there because definitely crowded, lots of people. But actually I'm making my way to Queen Street Rochor there to actually grab a bus and head to JB. But I know definitely today is a Friday, hell is gonna be very crowded. But still, let's do it. Rochor, and actually from Arab Street to the to Queen Street Rochor bus interchange, I think the bus stop actually is about maybe around a 5-minute walk. Yeah, not that far. I mean, just nice after a nice meal, you can just have a nice short walk, exercise a bit. Surprisingly, the queue isn't that long. I mean, consider this is taking into account that this is a Friday. Yeah, I think this is considered quite short already. Well, by the time when you guys see this, I already crossed the custom and I took about, I think, 2.5 hours this time. Whew, really intense. Anyway, making a move right now first. Catch you guys later. Okay guys, I'm back right in the heart of JB Central. Currently I'm standing right in front of the Komta JBCC and we are going to go for our lunch. Actually, we are going to this place called, I think, HaidiLao Hot Pot, something like that. It was actually the wife's idea. I've never been there before, pretty curious. Anyway, we're heading over right now. So, let's go. Okay, here we are. Okay, finally mommy today very happy. We can come to HaidiLao to eat and a hot pot. Start coming here, guys. So we have 4 types of soup. One is the mala soup. We took the tomato. One is herbal based and one is water based. Up to you. You just see what you want, no? And you just pick the ones you want. Pretty simple.
Beef noodle.
Some more. This cake. What's that? Okay, well. You more familiar with meat, but you want to eat mix a bit a bit of meat. Chicken meat.
Wait. it first.
I guess these are all the condiments and all the desserts. So your ayu jelly, watermelon, honeydew, and all the other condiments. Nice. This is mala. This is tomato sauce. This is a tree what? Sweet. This is normal water. So the first section of the food is already here. And the missus has gone over to collect the condiments and the sauces. So all our things are already here. What's that? What's it? Oh, pouch. So cute. See the pouch? Dumpling. Huh? Nama later is okay. Just dump it here. So cute. Oh, they even have a fish as well. Try it. Okay? Is it nice or not? Nice? Okay. She say nice? Okay. Looks, I think, like normal tomato soup. I think so. Sweet and sour. I think kids will like it. I think so. Let's try first. Sweet tomato like tomato soup lah. Seems a bit soft fruit, but I think this one you put the condiments, all this should be good. Yeah. Good. You just pour the noodle inside. Oh, you got dumplings. Oh, dumpling. This is the beef. Wow, mommy put inside mala some more, expertly done. There's a bit of a soft fruit, so I just take the normal tomato sauce, tomato soup, but pretty good. Oh, this comes up front. Okay. Okay, so they replenish the soup when it's dry. Oh, so you're gonna put the prawn now. You want to put one prawn inside? Huh? Beef! How can we forget the beef here? My god, yummy beef. I'll put the beef inside here. With some nice beef soup. What are you doing?
This is your soup. Do you try this?
Nice. I reckon when we put beef inside tomato, it becomes more like beef stew like that. I guess it's much like beef stew. Okay. Beef stew. Okay. 220. Okay. Bro, what do you think of the food? Very full. Up to your expectation? She likes it. Nice.
Thank you. Ai là cái phần banana kia.
Phải giờ xăng nữa hả?
Bỏ đó 36. 算你一张50。
没问题。
谢谢。
OK， 不用。
看到还热啊，把盖子开的。
OK， 没问题。
谢谢。Hai, Wanakkam.
Here we are. We're done. So, let's go. Okay, guys, I already bought the cakes now. I'm going to go back. I think with this, I shall end the vlog. Remember to share, like, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. Stay safe, be vigilant. I'll see you guys in the next video. Ciao.